Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing the Nexdigitron Prime Plus dashcam. So on the box you can see the actual dashcam itself, the 4K Ultra HD quality sticker. You can see all the promotional things such as the 3.18 inch screen, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the GPS, and it's also compatible with the Nexdigitron app. So when you're getting it, make sure to download it. And it also has voice control. Now let's see what else does this box. Well, now what you're watching are the components that you can find inside the box. These are the stickers that you need to mount on the dashcam. This is the instruction manual which has a QR code to watch the installation videos. These are a few clamps, and this is the rear dashcam unit which has a few cables. Now when we move on to the second row, this is a 12-volt car adapter which is going to act as the main source, and this is the interior camera which plugs into the main unit using a Type-C port. These are a few cables that you can find inside the box for the connections. And last but not the least, this is the main unit of the dashcam, having this 4K camera, some speaker grills, this thing which acts as the GPS mount, the 3.8 inch display, the USB-C port, the micro USB port for the rear camera, an SD card slot, an headphone jack, and all these buttons to navigate. If you want to know more about this dashcam, stay tuned to this channel and follow YouTuber.